How to unsend mail in Gmail after 1 hour. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Gmail in your laptop or in your desktop. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from this interface, navigate to top right corner, then click on the settings icon. After that, from this menu bar under this quick settings, click on see all settings. Then you will land on the settings page, and if you scroll down a bit, there you will find an option as undo send. So here you can set the timing for the undo option. So click on this drop down menu and from here click on 30. So 30 seconds is the maximum time period within which you can get the undo option after you send an email. Here you won't be able to have that undo option till 1 hour. So the maximum time is 30 seconds. Therefore, you will only be able to undo the sent email in your Gmail within this 30 seconds. Now, after you do that, scroll down and then click on Save Changes. Now, after you do that, let's create an email in your Gmail. So click on Compose. From here, you have to type in the recipient email address. After that, click on Send, and there you will have an undo option for 30 seconds, and to undo that, simply click on undo and your message will get undone. So that's how you can unsend mail in Gmail within the 30 seconds. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.